Hey everyone, I just want to share this verse or this chapter in verse 6, and it's a story of how mankind, the increase of evil, and all they think about, their thoughts, their heart was all about evil. But before that came about, there's this verse in Genesis 6 in verse 3, when I believe it's verse 3, where God says that my spirit can no longer abide in mankind because they are flesh. When God declared that, and you jump a few verses down, you begin to read this, that all they think about was evil. All they think about in their thoughts, their hearts, day and night, all they think about was evil. And why? We begin to ask that question, why they came to that point was because of the absence of God, the absence of His Spirit. And yet we're so blessed today through Jesus Christ that if you believe in Him, the Holy Spirit, the very Spirit of God, can reside and live within your heart. And then that's where we realize that the absence of God, there is evil. Whatever we birth out or the fruit that we bear, it's all evil. It's all self. It's all me, me, me. It's all what I think. It's all about my pride. It's all about my ego. It's all about my plans, my desires. It's all about my greed and the pursuit of money. And I'm telling you this, without God, without His Spirit, love will be impossible for us. Joy will be impossible for us. Contentment and so forth. Why? Because everything that is good comes from God. Everything that lasts forever, love and fulfillment, it comes from God. So here's my encouragement to all of us. Put your heart into Jesus and receive the Holy Spirit and walk in the Spirit of God. And I'm telling you, you will bear good fruit. Thanks to everyone. God bless.